This is an introduction to the Cost to Complete report. This Excel-based Office Connector Starter report is provided for your ongoing use as part of your annual maintenance and support for Sage Timberline Office. This report provides current job cost values as of a desired date. You can then enter your own estimated cost to complete for each line item. This is designed to provide project managers with real-time Excel-based analysis for their jobs. To run this report, start Sage Desktop, go to Excel-based Reporting Office Connector, and double-click on Cost to Complete. Note that you can also run this report from the Starter tab of the Office Connector Launchpad. Please take the time to read the information sheet. This will provide important details about the report's capabilities and how to use the report. For example, it's important to note that this report utilizes the current JCT file. If your company uses JC transaction files that have other names, the starter version of this report would not be able to query those files. The licensed version, however, could be customized to do this. Before running the report, you must provide the parameters that the report requires. To do this, click the Admin worksheet. The first parameter is the job number. When entering the job number, be sure to include the formatting that is shown in Job Cost by entering any characters that are used to separate the sections of your job numbers. Next, supply an as-of date. Values on the report will be derived from transactional detail based on transactions dated on or before the date that you enter. To run the report, click the Refresh Report button on the Admin worksheet. At this point, Office Connector prompts you to select your Timberline Office Company folder and enter your login credentials. The time needed to run the report will vary based on the volume of data you have in your data files. Notice that the report parameters are displayed at the top of the report. These are shown only for your reference. If you wish to rerun the report with a different set of parameters, just click back on the Admin worksheet, enter your new parameters, and click Refresh Report again. Now that your Cost to Complete report is in Excel, you can navigate and interact with your information. For example, the Auto Filter buttons on each column caption allow you to quickly filter the line items to isolate a specific extra, cost code, or other values. Click the plus button in the left margin to expose more information about the job in the heading of the report. Likewise, you can click the plus buttons in the top margin to expose additional columns that may be of interest. For each line item, you can enter a value or a formula for your estimated cost to complete. This results in an immediate recalculation of the cost at completion as well as the over or under value. As you address each line item, the comment column can be used to document notes about the specific line item and what you have forecasted. As you work, job level totals are updated at the bottom of the report that provide you with an overall picture of the job. When you save your report, your parameters and data are saved within the Excel file. If you are using Excel 2007 or higher, make sure that you choose Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. This will ensure that the macros required by the workbook are preserved. Later, you can reopen the Excel workbook and continue to work with the same data or refresh the report to get current information. If you wish to share a copy of your report with someone who does not have Office Connector, just click the Office Connector toolbar and click Save as Values. This saves the report as an ordinary Excel workbook that's no longer linked to your Sage Timberline Office database. It can then be provided to any user of Excel. Once again, this Excel-based report is brought to you by Sage and is powered by Event One Office Connector. A full license of Office Connector can be purchased, enabling you to use other pre-built reports, have your consultant create reports for you, design your own reports, or even send data from Excel back into Sage Timberline Office. Be sure to visit the Event One software website to sign up for a free live webinar about Office Connector, or contact us if you have any questions about upgrade options, pricing, or licensing.